birthday. And you know we don't give up until that's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm in the habit sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill the bars. I'm in the habit sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're getting rough.
I know how it feel to wake up, fucked up, pockets broke as hell, another rock to sell. People look at you like you's the user, selling drugs to all the losers, mad Buddha abuser. But they don't know about your stress-filled day. Baby on the way, mad bills to pay. That's why you drink Tanqueray, so you can reminisce and wish you wasn't living so devilish. Shit, I remember I was just like you, smoking blunts with my crew, flipping on 62s. Cause GED wasn't VIG, I had to get PAD. That's why my mom's hate me. She was forced to kick me out, no doubt. Then I figured out things went for 20 down south. Packed up my tools on my raw power move. Block 19 for casket, flower moves. But Trump's trying to stop my flow. And what they don't know will show on the autopsy. Went to see Poppy to cop me a brick. Asked for such a consignment, he wasn't trying to hear it. Smoking mad Newports cause I'm doing court for an assault that I caught in Bridgeport, New York.